Hello, I'm Farid, founder of botmake.io project. Today I want to show you how to create your own chatbot easily by using botmake.io. Okay, first of all, you can just go to Google, type botmake, and first result will be botmake.io. Then we can easily create our chatbot by clicking on create chatbot button. I'm going to create my own chatbot and just simply click to register. Then you need to verify your email address. You should just simply click on verify email button that we sent to your inbox, and then your bot is verified and you can start using it. First of all, let's go to our bot page and see how it looks like. It's simply now Farid chatbot. You can see here edit chatbot with a guest button, also some buttons that these things actually is not visible to other users. If I go to guest mode, I open a new tab, you can see it's actually others people will see your bot like this. And now let's try to edit our chatbot and customize it a little bit. So from here you can choose your own avatar. You can use this one. As you see, since I created before my chatbot as Farid, I can't use the same username, so I can change it to something else. Will be nicer like this. And then you can see greeting message. You can change this part as well. Hello. We can say just hello, and we can use different emoji. You can put description of your bot here, founder of botmake.io. This also, if you want to track your bot with Google Analytics, it's possible. Just paste your code here and then your can track your analytics. Other thing, it's important that you have a single answer to all bad words, because it's you don't want to answer to all bad words, but you can set just one word. And then I will show you how to set your questions, some questions that coming to you as a bad word. So this this answer here will be applied to all these bad words, so you don't need to care about that. Also, if you don't want to receive emails, just check this box, check out. And if you don't want to be displayed on listing page, which is, you can see here from best bots, you see there's a lot of bots and they are listed here. But if you don't want to be listed, you just can click here. It's simple. And then just click on save settings, and let's visit our bot again. Yeah, as you see, it's now looks like better, and we can start improving it. Now let's try something. Hello. So you see it has some reply already, some logical reply to most common things. But how this reply is coming, how can you understand? So it's better, if you want to improve your bot, it's better to work in not view as a guest mode, but in normal mode, which you see here. So if you type hello, you can see from where this is coming. It's by basic knowledge. What's basic knowledge? When we click on it, we are going to apps part of website, and here you can see we have some apps that already installed on your bot, and you can enable or disable these apps. So this is basic knowledge. So as you see here on bot page, let me say hello, it's coming from like basic knowledge app. So you can just simply disable this one, and then your bot won't have any random answers, and you can add your own random answers, because in case your bot doesn't know the response, let's type something random, so your bot don't know how to respond to it. It means, what do you mean? But you can, if you enable this one and you type again just random, something random, it's giving some, like, pretending that it understood and typing something. It's coming from Boost Conversation app, and you can just disable it, and then you need to enter your own random answers. Random answer mean, like, when your bot can't find any reply, doesn't know how to reply, they will use randomly one of these answers. So let's say what, or let's put I don't understand you. Yeah, this is also, or you can also use GIFs or images. Let's try GIF. What? And then you can use this one. Yeah, create. You see, and then when someone will ask something that your bot doesn't have response, you see what? This is coming from here, what? And then also you can easily click here, edit random answer, and it will bring you to the place from where answer is coming. So it's like kind of a shortcut for you to make life simpler. So let's open again our bot and type something random. I don't understand you. Yeah, this is another one which we entered. Again, I want to see GIF is displayed, but since it's random, sometimes it can take time. Yeah, now you can see from Giphy it's here, and so you can, it's important to define some random answers, because it's not possible that always your bot knows the reply to everything, but sometimes they need to just keep conversation going. So you assign something random, and this will help a lot. But if you don't want to set yourself, you can use default Boost Conversation. You can enable it again and use it. So another app is about using, like, if you simply say hello again, you see it's coming like how are you, it's coming from basic knowledge. If you disable basic knowledge, if you type something, let's say hello again, you see it doesn't have response to hello anymore, because we just disabled basic knowledge, and it's now fully on your control, under your control. You can assign whatever you want. So how to now teach your bot for answer? Let's go to teach section, and you see here, you see hello, and you can assign some answers. Hello, let's say how are you, someone asks hello, how are you today, you can assign multiple responses, so your bot will use randomly one of those. When someone asks hello, it will use how are you or how are you today. So you can also assign some GIF or image answer. Let's assign some GIF and say hi and search for GIF. You see, you can assign this one, add answer. So now you see, if someone say hello to your bot, it can reply with this one of these three options. If you don't want, you can delete from here, and let's test it. Let's test it now. Let's say hello, and you see, how are you. If we edit answer also, we come here, we see this one, and let's say again hello. Yeah, you see all answers. System is choosing one of these answers randomly. So also, if you want one of these answers to be displayed more than other one, you can just for example, you want how are you to be displayed more than others, you can add it again, how are you. So you increase chance of how are you to be displayed more than others responses. Also, another thing I want to display you, let's say this one is bad word and you want to mark it as a, you can mark it as a bad word here, mark as a bad word, and then you can simply, if someone types this to your bot, it will give a reply with don't use bad words please, and it's coming from settings as I showed you before. It's coming from here, but you can change it also easily. Let's go to teach part again. So here you only see, whenever you click on teach, you only see questions that not answered yet, because it's default unanswered page is displayed. But if you want to see answered, you can click here and you see, for example, hello, which we already answered, or you can see all, show all, and then you can see answered ones as a green, bad words as a black, and then others as a red. And normally you just need to use unanswered and add as much as answers as you can. You can also search here easily. If you can't find, after some point you will have a lot of answers for questions, so it will be easier to find from here by searching it. And also, if you want add another question and answer, you can use this button and you can add how are you, for example, and you can add a text answer, I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, smile. This is also now displayed here. If you say show all, you see how are you. What this numbers means, it means how many times people typed hello to your bot, for example. 2 times this one we tried it, like others 1 time. So you can see always most typed things on top. So this is important for you, so you just start from here to improve, and then you will see. If we ask, for example, this one again to bot, it should be 2 now. Yeah, if we go back, you see it's now 2, so it's on top. And here you can see some notification if someone had a conversation with your bot. You see here link to conversation. If you click on this, you go to conversation section, and here you can see everything, also all type of information, from where answer is coming, from where reply came, and then you can improve your bot by looking to all conversations with your bot. Dashboard is simple dashboard that you can see unanswered questions. You can see how many random you have, and you can also add your bot to your website. This is important feature. And then when you will add this code to your website, your bot will be displayed same as you see here. It will be displayed like this, and people can just chat from here. Hello, hi. Yeah, this will be displayed as you see here, and you can use it as a help bot on your website for other purposes. Other things I want to show you is I want to explain you is rating points. Rating point is something that we don't explain actually all like all our algorithm of calculating this rating, but simply it means how much your bot is improved. Like whenever you improve your bot more, your rating point is increased, and then best bots will be displayed by most rating points you have. Your bot will be displayed on upper positions in this page in best chatbots. Also, you have a possibility to be displayed on home page, and then you can see a lot of bots created, and all of these bots are sorted by rating points. Since I just created my bots, I don't have rating yet because it's being calculated every day at some time daily, and I should just wait maximum 24 hours, then my rating will be calculated, and I will be displayed on chatbot page as well. So let's go to edit chatbot again. I want to also display you some features that, for example, in teach section, when you see something and you are wondering from which conversation it's coming, you just can click here and you can click on viewing conversation. Then it will bring you to conversation which you have, and it's coming from here. Now we just have one conversation, but normally we may have a lot of conversations. It will be listed here, so it will make your life easier by showing you how it was asked, and you can see a conversation and understand how can you answer to this query. Other things I want to display, you can also change visual preferences, but for this we need to upgrade our plan. I will display you, I will show you how to upgrade plan. We are using safe Stripe option, payment provider, so it's totally safe to make a payment. So we now upgraded our chatbots, and you can see we are now on premium plan, and we have a lot of new features. Let's see some of these new features. So if we type something now, you see it's has autocomplete now. So possibility of users to type things that we already answered is higher now. Let's say, how are you? Yeah, as you see, it gives a big advantage to Chatbot, that it will display more correct answers because people will autocomplete things that you already answered. And if it can help you in a lot of scenarios like FAQ bots and other things. Let's say also type of fixing. If we type like how are you, it also makes type of fixing. It can understand that you actually tried to type how are you, and it will display your answer to how are you. So it's really important feature which prevents small typos, and it will help you a lot. Let's see other features. We can go to visual preferences, and now we can change some things for our bot. We can make, for example, chat window color. Let's say, let's try to make it purple. And chat window color means this window that you see here, it's now purple, as you see. And let's see, we can change background color. Let's make it dark. Let's make it black. And let's see what changed it now. As you see, it's now black, but these colors also need to be changed. Then chat background color. This color is color here, so you can change it to also to a little bit open color, like gray. Will be perfect. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's like this now. And you can use both text color as a white, both message background color also can be, let's say, blue, a little bit dark blue. Visitor messages can be red, and name text can be white. The description text color also can be assigned as a white, and visitor text color also can be assigned as a white. Let's see the result, how it looks like. Yeah, it's now blue. Hey, so you see it's red. Also it will be changed here, as you see. So you can customize as you want. Another cool feature coming with premium package, you can assign some similar replies. Now you see we have copy answers here. So if you see hey, it's actually similar as hello. It can be same answers of hello. So you can just assign hello here, and let's test it. Let's test. You say hey, as you see, it's coming as how are you, which we assigned to previously to our hello question. So this is important feature, and you don't need to every time enter same answers for similar things, because for hello you already entered like 4 answers and you don't want to enter them again and again. So it will give you really good advantage. Another cool feature coming with premium package is under apps. You can now create custom apps. If you have some programming knowledge and you want to extend your bot with some cool features, you can create your custom apps. You can see documentation here. Simply it's you can create custom app, you can assign name, URL. This URL is some URL from your own endpoint, like you have some website, let's say, and you can assign your own URL here, and whenever some question coming to your bot, we will send this question first to your website, so you will have an opportunity to give an answer by writing some custom code. Let's see some examples here. We will send you simply this tree information. This is question's most important one. So let's say if we type to our bot hello, it will answer, you will receive question as a hello. User ID is ID of your user, and HMAC is for security reasons. I will not dive into details, you can research it. And then response will be like type. You should respond in this format. Let's say type should be text. It can be also GIF or image, and you should always provide some text. And media is if it's GIF or image, you should provide media as a full path URL. This is important. And this is some example Laravel code. But if you don't use Laravel, because it has also example of how to verify HMAC. So this for you that you know, request is coming from our side, so you can verify it, but in the beginning it can be not that important. You can see simple PHP example. You just receiving question, and if it's not empty, you just like reverse string of question and just echo it with JSON encode. This is a little bit advanced. If you have some programming knowledge, it's very simple for you. But if you don't have, it's not important to use this feature. You can use just our built-in apps. So that's all. Thank you very much for listening, watching our video. Good luck with your bots, and please add your comments. If you have some questions, I will try to help you. Yeah, good luck. Thank you. Bye bye.